Sell these products right now. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. Today I'm going to save you time and hopefully make you a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 winning products that you can dropship right now. Plus, I'm going to give you the cost, the selling price, the break-even ROAS, and even some Facebook interests that you can target. Basically, I've done all of the product research for you. Because I've done all of this, if you could do just one small thing for me, if you could drop a like on this video, it will help out the channel, help out the video, and give the algorithm some love. Second of all, drop a comment down below and let me know which of these products you will be testing out. If this is the first time ever watching one of my videos, then make sure, of course, you do subscribe to the channel. I drop weekly videos showing you how you can make more money with your e-commerce dropshipping stores using Facebook, TikTok ads, and all of that good stuff. So this is the first winning product. Now, before I actually click play on this video and show you what the product is, if you want to get your hands on this document with all of the links for every single winning product, along with the actual supplier, the break-even ROAS and interests and all of those kind of things, then smash a like on this video. If this video gets 500 likes, I'll drop that in the comments down below. So this is the first winning product, like I've mentioned, that you can dropship. It's basically a magnetic game for kids. Now, kids is a massive niche, especially leading up to Q4 in terms of people and parents looking for gifts for their children or grandchildren, nephews and nieces, okay? You can see here that the product itself, it was launched in August, so fairly recent, and it's got 1,000 likes on it, 276 comments and 198 shares on it. Okay, this is a very big niche, and obviously, like I've mentioned, it's a wow, quirky, unique product, along with also targeting a passionate audience, which is parents. You can see here they've actually got a very decent looking website that these guys are that they're selling for this product. Okay, pretty cool. And I think they're using gem pages for this page builder, hence why it doesn't look like a typical Shopify page. Okay, now if we actually head to AliExpress, you can see that we can get this exact same product for $14, right? And I believe they were selling this product for, if we click on US dollars, for $36, so close to $40 for this actual product. Okay, now if we actually plug those numbers into this break-even ROAS sheet, and this is something that I'm actually going to give you guys as well, it's a free copy. Again, if this actually gets 500 likes, I'll give away this as well, which shows you what your break-even ROAS is going to be. Now, we've plotted those in, the costs of goods and the actual selling price of what they were selling it for, around about $37. You can see this gives us a break-even ROAS of 1.73. Kind of on the high side, but still something that you can sell, definitely with the upsells, trying to get people to push towards that, the 74 piece rather than just this lower 36 piece here. Okay, now in terms of interests, who would actually be interested in this product? Well, that's kind of fairly simple. We're going to be targeting people such as interests such as parents, child, toys, parenting, toddlers and grandparents. They would be the target interests that we would potentially go after. So onto the second winning product that you can start drop shipping right now for Q4. You can see here that this product is a cushion for desk chairs. It is versatile, so you can use it in your car, at home, and those kind of things as well. But predominantly, it's for people who work at a desk, whether they be remote workout or work at work. You can see here it's designed for people who are prolonged sitting at their desks, or of course driving. Now, if you have a look, this product was launched on the 31st of May, okay? And it's got 2,000 likes on this actual product, 700 and close to 800 comments, and close to 600 shares on this product as well. So it's got some great actual engagement on this. And these guys have built a one product store. If we have a look at their actual website, you can see that they're selling this product for $79. So I'm assuming it's a premium quality. They're going for a higher ticket type of product. Okay, decent looking website. And if we actually go to AliExpress, you can see that we can find this product for $24. So these guys are marking it up a hell of a lot. They've got 2 different versions. I'm assuming this is just the basic version and this is the premium version. And what I've done is in the break-even ROAS, I've put in the premium version, okay, $24, and they're selling it for $79, okay. You can see that we're getting generally a break-even ROAS of 1.51. Now, this is a perfect break-even ROAS that I personally like to go for. It's a great number, rounded number, and you can still make some healthy profits with a product which is sitting at this break-even ROAS. This is a problem-solving product. So for interest, we want to be looking at people who are sitting at desks. So we want to be targeting desks, chairs, maybe spine and back and computer and those sorts of broad keywords, and let our creative target out those people who would be willing to purchase this product. On to the third winning product. Now this product I actually called out on my Instagram about 2 months ago because I seen that this product was working in 2020. And you can see here it's come full circle and this product is now winning in September 2021, okay? It's basically a hat scarf combo for the winter weather that we are all pretty much going through. Now, of course, you can see here it's got 3,300 likes. It's got how many comments? 800 comments there. And I can't see the shares because my camera is in the way. But if we have a look at the actual website, it's a very, very, very basic website, okay? Very basic website. And you can improve on this pretty much tenfold, right? Now, in terms of the actual prices of this product, okay? You can see here that we can actually get the product for close to $11-ish, right? And they're selling it for $30. I would probably go for a little bit higher than that, probably $35 for this actual product. Now, most people are not passionate about scarves, okay? So you wanna make sure that you have some sort of angle on this product. Now, if you actually have a look at the break-even ROAS for this product, you can see that we can get it for $11.41. And again, like I've mentioned, we would probably sell it for $35. If I change this to $30, then it's gonna push it up to about $1.73. So, you know, something like $35 or increasing your average order value by getting them to purchase 2, then that's gonna be beneficial. Again, that's still a nice, decent break-even ROAS to go with to test out this product. Now, while this product is cool, quirky, and unique and kind of solves a problem, it doesn't have a passionate audience tied to it. No one is passionate about scarves. So with your Facebook ads targeting, you need to find an angle that you can go for. Some of the interests and angles that you could go down could be people who are passionate about outdoors or hiking or even ski season when it comes around. Right, onto the fourth winning product that you can start dropshipping right now is this knee massager product. These guys have built a one product brand around this product. And you can see here with this actual video ad, the first 3 seconds is going into the shock factor, showing what a deformed kind of knee or a badly injured knee looks like before then presenting the solution with this massager, okay? You can see it was launched on the 21st of September, so very recently, and it's got 1,000 likes on it, 127 comments, and 208 shares on it, okay? Now, if we actually have a look at the website here, we can see essentially what it looks like and the price that they are charging. So you can see here that they're actually charging $200, is flashed into pounds here, but $200 for this product, which is an absolute insane markup, along with obviously a bundle here incentive. If they purchase more, then obviously they get an added discount on, okay? Now, if we actually have a look at how much we can get this product for, it's close to $40 so $46 that we can actually get this for, including the shipping. And they're selling the product for $199. That gives us a break-even ROAS of 1.36, okay, which is extremely low for a product like this. One thing I will say about selling a product like this is you can run into Facebook issues such as ad rejections and banned ad accounts, because they are very specific on what you can and can't say in your ads. This isn't a product that I would recommend to someone who is new to dropshipping. It would be someone who can sell and has a little bit more experience. In terms of the interests that we would go for on Facebook, we want to be trying to find an angle that we can go with. This could be potential people who are into running, who have issues with their knees. We could go with the actual interest itself, knees, or we could go down the pensioner route, people who are old age and can't walk like they used to. Now is time for the final 5th winning product, okay? This was launched on the 10th of September. So again, another recent product that these guys have tested out. And if you have a look at the actual video itself of what the product does, it's essentially a calming blanket for cats and small related pets like dogs. I'm assuming you could go down, but these guys obviously are going down the angle of just cats specifically. I've seen this product being marketed to small dogs, but of course, again, it's always about the angle and creative that you can get that's going to give you leverage. So you can see here that this product itself has close to 2,000 likes on it. It's got 187 comments and 425 shares. And you can see here, this comment even just says, I ordered one, I hope it's worth the purchase. Okay, so we actually know that people who are commenting are going ahead and buying this product. If we have a look at their actual website, again, not an impressive website, very basic website that you can improve upon. But if we have a look at the prices, of course, I'm just going to take, for example, the small one. You can see that they're selling it for $19. And if we actually head to AliExpress, okay, we can get this product, again, a small one. This is exactly the same with a good top brand supplier. We can get this for $5 along with free shipping as well. So plugging that into our calculator, again, these may vary depending on the size because they're selling multiple different sizes here. But essentially we can see that if we're selling the basic one, and it fluctuates between 1.2, I already worked it out, to about 1.7, depending on the size of the mat that you are selling. So you can see that, again, there's still enough profit in this product to go ahead and test this out. In terms of interest for this product, it's kind of self-explanatory. If you're going to go down the route of targeting cats, then we want to be targeting cats, kitten, and maybe some different cat breeds. If you wanted to take this product and then target the dog niche, then self-explanatory, we'd be going for puppy, dogs, pets, and other different breeds of dog. So hopefully you got some value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below which of these 5 products you will be testing out. Remember, if you do want this document with all of these links on them, make sure of course you drop a like on this video. If we get to 500 likes, then I will drop that in the comments down below and also give you that free calculator as well. My private ecom Discord is launching in around about 2 weeks time. Very limited spots. If you do want access to that, make sure of course you join the waitlist and then you'll be alerted first to join. Hit me up on Instagram and on Twitter and we can try and connect on there. But that is it for this video. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.